Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you who is responsible for the weird noise produced by the angle grinder. Before starting this assembly, don't forget to disconnect the tool from the power supply. To make it easy for me to install, to put them in position easily, I will make a mark on the case and cover. Before extracting the rotor, remove the carbons, otherwise they may break. Don't forget, like and subscribe. This is one of the bearings. To check it, it rotates and listens. If it tends to get stuck and has a strange noise, it means that it is worn. As you can see, this bearing has play inside the raceway, making it impossible to center the pinion, hence the strange noise of the angle grinder. To extract it, I will use a small bearing press. You can find this press in the description. After several attempts, I managed to break the bearing cup, but without success. The bearing cone is still there. To unlock the pinion, I will heat it, thinking that it will expand and maybe I will be able to remove it from the shaft. To protect the plastic parts, I will put a wet napkin or a wet cloth. With a few temperature changes, hot and cold, I managed to unlock the pinion. As you can see, it has some grooves on the inside that prevent the pinion from rotating on the shaft. You can find this bearing below in the description. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.